Okay, so if you have a Hyundai Tucson and the sound audio doesn't work on your radio, stick around. This is actually a technical service bulletin. Alright, so here's the radio. We're going to hit it on. And so on some cars, I think the amplifier, but that's usually the thing that goes wrong. That's what the technical service bulletin is for. Super easy to replace. So you just jump out. This one, it's right here underneath the driver's seat. There's three 10mm bolts, one back here, right here, and one a little bit further back. You can't see because it's too dark. And then you have two plugs, these two plugs right here. Just push down right there and they pop right out, and then this whole unit will come out, and we're just going to throw a new one in and test it out. Okay, just pulled the old one out. Took about, I don't know, 20 seconds or something. And we got the new one. You can see they're identical. Let me get it unwrapped real quick. Alright, and before we go install, even though it's super quick and easy, I'm just going to plug it in and make sure the radio works. Alright, moment of truth. Hey, instantly, right? Cool. Easy enough. Should grab the longer socket. Thank you for watching. If you like Hyundai videos, let me know, because I'm working at Hyundai. Make sure to subscribe, and I can get you guys more of those videos if you like. And we also have some pretty dang cool cars that are our personal cars that we work on, so if you like that stuff more, just let us know. See ya.